Well, you look absolutely beautiful.
Thank you, so do you.
Thank you, thank you. So what did you do to prepare for your character? Because that really can be, a daunting character to play.
Yes, it's just, going into an inner dark place. I think we all have sad moments. And so basically that's what I channeled from. Not necessarily alcoholism itself, but that's just a demon that festers when you have something inside that isn't quite right. So I just kind of took myself to my darkest moment in life. And for me, that was the loss of my mom when she passed away. So that's where I took my energy and just drew from that for this part.
Wow, and then how did you feel seeing yourself on film and with everything that you prepared for?
It's very different. It's funny the reaction of people because they see me this way and then they see me on screen. They're like, "What? That's you?"
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's very different, surreal to see yourself up there, but
And how did you feel about the audience's reactions to everything that was going on?
I think they loved it. It was interesting to hear kind of the reactions in the different places or whatever. And what I'm interested to hear when I talk to people is what were they thinking was going on really, because I was sitting next to someone and they knew that I was in it. So they go, "Oh, you're the other woman, aren't you?" And I go, yeah. So a lot of people think that I was the other woman when I was just a woman with a lot of trouble.
Wow, so how was his Ford Taurus? I wanted to know about that. I was like, oh.
It didn't have any air. And that's hard in the summertime in Georgia. So, yeah.
No, I definitely feel you on that. And tell us a little bit about working with Lamont and Marlon.
Lamont is fabulous. Like he is a creative genius. I call him my Renaissance man because the film is just one part of his creativity with the music and the art. Just I love his spirit and his limitless creative thinking is what I love about him. So it's just been a great treasure to work with him. He's a pleasure to work for, to work with. And he brings out the best in you creatively. So it's just great to work with someone like that.
I like that. So when he's directing, is he yelling at you? Is he telling you, bring it out, give it to me?
Really? No, I don't think. I've known Lamont for a few years. I don't think I've ever seen him yell. I think I'd be really afraid if I ever saw him yell. So no, he's very quiet spirit, but very strong. Don't let the quietness fool you. So.
And about the cast, tell us a little bit about the cast because we really felt the chemistry with everyone throughout the cast.
What's really interesting is Tarver and I only rehearsed once prior to filming. And I hadn't even met Erica until we filmed my scene. So it's, I guess I have to contribute that to Lamont and who he chose to be a part of the cast because it's a great group of people that our chemistry together is just kind of amazing. So.
Oh yeah, it definitely was. Well, thank you so much for sharing that chemistry and thank you for embodying that role because I think all of us can really say that we either know someone or have even experienced those feelings together.
Yes, and it allows you to have some compassion. And I love the fact that he wrote this character to make her, like I said, just someone who's having a hard time. And when you hear that she has children, she has a daughter. So it allows us to put some compassion to the disease of alcohol because that's what it is, it's a disease. So hopefully it'll spark conversation and compassion for that.
I like that, it definitely will. Well, thank you again and congratulations.
Thank you.